Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I post multiple haul videos, all different stores. I like to vlog, DIYs, shop with me, all that. Sorry, my earrings are falling out. So if you like all that kind of content, definitely hit that subscribe button down there because you don't want to miss my videos. And if you're returning, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul. This is from multiple stores, and you're probably going to see two different outfits on me because I'm filming this before I go out today, and I'll probably film the rest tomorrow in a different outfit. So if you see that, that's why. But let's get into this. I definitely found some good stuff. I'm not going to break anything into categories just because there's a lot. So let's get into it. Subscribe, don't forget. First off, I found these hair scrunchies again, and I love these. So we got this set. And then my favorite lip glaze from this collection because there's glitter in it. So I restocked on her. Then I found these BioPure antibacterial hand wipes in Sweet Harvest. How perfect are these for fall? So we got those. Then I got this hair clip by Heritage, and my hair is thick, and I use this one from Heritage. And I found this one, and I love the blue, so got that. Then these markers are amazing, and my aunt's a crafter, so I got her these for her little Christmas stocking. So just got those. These are great craft markers. Then I got another one of the Kabuki brushes with case. These are amazing. And the fact that it comes with a case, bargain. So got that. Then we have some of the new eye and lip collection from LA Colors. So this is the lip crayon in Rumors, which I am obsessed with that color. Then we have, I think we have another lip crayon, yeah. We have the lip crayon in Speechless of her. All these new collections, I'm going to have so many trying the new collection videos coming out. Then we have the plumper lip gloss in Reckless. Love the dark for fall. Then we have the lip oil, tinted lip oil in Crazier. Love the name, love the color. Then we have a shimmer lip oil in Like Diamonds. Are we kidding? That one. Then tinted lip oil in Timeless. I want to say I think I got one of like everything. And then the lip plumper in Delicate. Oh, lip cooling. This is a lip cooling plumper gloss. So we have that. That's what I got from the collection. I didn't get eyeliner, mascara, eyeshadows. I didn't get that. Then from Global Beauty Care, the new Glass collection. Without blinding you guys, this is the AHA Treatment Essence for smooth, radiant, and dewy skin. Glass Skin Glow. It's hard to show because it's literally like that. And then I got from the Glass collection, what is this? This is the Peptide Jelly Moisturizer. This is supposed to protect. Let's open the packaging, actually, might as well. I wonder if it's going to be holographic like the packaging is. I love this collection though, it's really pretty. Okay, so this is what the jelly moisturizer looks like. So that is the bag number one. New day, same video, second bag from the store. So I got another set of those record player coaster sets. I know these are $1.50, but they're so cute. Like, it is so adorable. Like, and they're all coasters. And honestly, this is so worth $1.50 to me. So I did get another one. I'm gonna have one in each room. So super cute. Got another one. Then I'm trying to see. Oh, got another case because Dollar General hand sanitizers fit these. So I have more Dollar General hand sanitizers. So I'm gonna get these cases to fit them. So I got that. Then, by Miss Spa, we have the Hello Hydration Deep Moisture with Avocado Oil 4-Step Facial Kit. These came out a while ago. I loved them, especially for travel. So I got this one again because restock. Found it. Then I got the Get Cozy Blush as a little gift basket gift for one of my family members. So I got her. Sorry, my alarm's going off. Then, this is my favorite, you guys know, but this is going in that same little gift bag. But it's just the pink little color changing lip gloss. I will admit the scent of these is horrible, but I don't care because I love it on my lips, so it's like... Then, these curlers my grandma's obsessed with, so I got her some more. Every time I see them, I get her some because she loves them. Then, from the Get Cozy collection, I got the Sugar and Spice little eyeshadow palette because there's only one glitter and there's 2 mattes, so I can do the mattes. So I got her. Sorry, I know I keep saying her and it to objects, and I'm sorry, but it's just how I talk. Sorry. Then we got the Feeling Grateful lipstick from the this collection. Oh, what's it called? This collection, like the pumpkin pie collection. I love this color, so I got that. Then this is an oldie, but they're making an appearance. This is the LA Colors Blush Beauty Wand, and this isn't Fiery. I never ever saw this color before when it came out a while ago, so we got this one. Then I've seen this on TikTok recently, and I'm like, okay, I have to find it, and I did. It's by Skip This Bob Boob Mask, a nourishing and firming mask, coconut and collagen. So we'll see if TikTok is right. Then we got the Tinted Lip Oil in Love Struck Moisture Tint and Moisturize Your Lips. I love these from this collection. I've tried the glitter one and I'm obsessed. So I got this darker one for fall. Then my all-time favorite hair scrunchies. These are amazing. If you have thick hair, these are great. So I got another set of those because I found them again. Then we have the Wet n Wild Clear Gel Formula for your eyes and eyebrows. This is the best eyebrow gel. Literally, I love this. Whenever I see this, I grab it because I go through this so fast. Because even on like a no makeup day, I put this on my eyebrows. So we got that. Then by Global Beauty Care, we have the Calming Nighttime Recovery Facial Serum with lavender, melatonin, and aloe. So this is that. We'll open it so we can see what it looks like. But yeah, they're like repackaging stuff that we've already seen, and it throws me off because I'm like, wait, is this new or is it just new packaging? And most of the time, it's just new packaging. But yeah, this is what that looks like. So it looks like a pretty like decent sized bottle. So we got that. Garbage. Then last thing from this bag, I think this is a not repurchase, but restock for the store. Beauty Intuition Sweet Lips Scented Lip Balms. You get cake batter, cherry, and strawberry frosting, and they're just these really small. These are cute just to throw in your purse, to be honest, so that's why I got them. So that's that bag. Now let's get on to the next. This bag is phenomenal. I'm stoked. So we have some new bath shower steamers. This is in caramel apple. Like, you're kidding. I cannot wait to use these. So we have caramel apple shower fizzers. Then I did restock on the body butter of the salted caramel. Body butter pistachio and caramel. This is going in a gift bag with that other skincare stuff. So we got this for that. Then we have some new acne patches, and you get 24, reduces inflammation, absorbs oil and residue, and there's like holographic butterflies, if you guys can see that. So I love this. In Orchard, I say Orchard, is a name brand, so a good find for $1.25. Then by Marie Claire, she's coming back. We have an eyelash and brow serum, which I never tried before, like when all her stuff came out. So I'm super excited to try this. So we got that. Then we got some new nail files. So these are the glass nail files. You get one in here, but it's big. So we have purple butterfly, pink smiley face, and glass nail files work immaculate, literally. Cherries and blue bow. And then there was one more, and it was just like the rainbow, but yeah, so I got those. Then by Global Beauty Care, we have some new skincare. This is the Hydrating Serum, Ceramides, Coconut Water, and Squalane. I don't know if I said that right. But yeah, so this is new, so I'm excited to try this because I love this line from them anyway. So I'm excited to try that. Then we have some new lips. So, by Beauty Intuition, couldn't think of the brand. We have the Hydrating Lip Gloss in Mauve. Again, this is one of my favorite colors for fall and winter. Then, by Urban Hydration, we got the Soothing and Cooling Aloe Vera Leaf Daily Body Moisturizer. Say that 10 times fast. So, yeah, so it's a body moisturizer blended with vitamin E and fruit extracts. So, that's nice. Then I finally found this. It's the Wood Barstool brand shampoo and conditioner in Summer House, Coastal Lavender and Sea Salt. This is a 16 ounces and it smells so good. So that's that one. My mic wasn't on in that last clip, but luckily it was real short. So anyway, next bag, I got this little woven basket. I think this is so cute, and this was $1.25. Just to throw like keys, lip gloss, whatever in. So cute. Then more of the bath fizzers. This is pumpkin latte. Like, I'm so excited for that one. So we have that. Then we have more of the acne patches, but these are glitter hearts. So that one. Then there was one more, and then these are just stars. So you get 24 in each pack, which is a really good deal. So got that. Then by Revlon, we have Redness Color Correction Pen for Redness. So the other one was dullness. Now we have a redness, which I suffer with or deal with. So we got that, which I'm excited. Then, looking around, we have this new powder bronzer by LA Colors in bronze, Sunkissed Glow. I'm obsessed with this because it has glitter in it, so it's like a highlight and bronzer for one to me. So it's super, super cute. So we got her. Then by Revlon, we got the new Color Stay Brow Mousse, styles for a fuller, softer, defined look. And this is in 401 Blonde. So if this doesn't work for me, my grandma's eyebrows are blonde. So, but yeah, for Revlon, this is a great deal for $1.25. So we got that. Then I know this is an old thing, but I just found it by Candy Moyo Longwear Multi-Usage Concealer and Contour, and I got light beige because the other one was a little too dark. So this one should work, hopefully. So we got that to try out. Then by Beauty Intuition, we have the lip gloss, but this one is in brown. I love this. I love the dark colors for fall and winter. So got that. Then, while we're on lips, let's keep going. By Be Pure, the hydrating lip gloss, we got Golden Beige. Don't ever remember seeing this shade before, so. Then, the Pumpkin Pie collection, or whatever the collection's called. We got the lip gloss, Cozy Kisses and Pumpkin Wishes. Lip gloss in Sweetie Pie. This one's definitely my favorite color from there. Like, are we kidding? Then we have this Be Pure Hydrating Lip Oil in Sheer Nude. I love this because I feel like you can top it or wear it alone. So we got that. Then I think these are a restock. Not a repurchase, restock, but I can't remember. We have Beauty Intuition's Hydrating and Nourishing Lip Oils. So we have Watermelon. We have Grape. We have, Blue Raspberry. I'm psyched for this. Then the last one is Lemon. So I don't know if these are a restock or if they're new, so let me know, but I don't ever remember finding them. Then we have some Marie Claire. So we have the liquid blush in soft pink, and I love the cushion tip applicators. I feel like you can really like precisely put on how much you want. So we got the blush in soft pink. And then, of course, we got the blurring setting powder, so we got that. And then we got the lip plumper in soft pink, fuller looking lips. So that was bag number whatever we're on at this point. Well, that was the final bag. Didn't even realize that was the final bag. Definitely scored this Walmart trip. I mean, Dollar Tree trip. So I'm excited. Hopefully I find more of what I'm looking for. But definitely don't forget to comment down below your guys' favorite find, what you guys are on the hunt for, what I should be on the hunt for, and definitely subscribe and share the channel because you don't want to miss my hauls. So I will see you in the next one, and subscribe.